How to turn on marketplace notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on marketplace notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and you just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find settings and then notifications, and now just go down until you find pages, not pages, this one, marketplace, and now just turn everything on and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.